So this is the new chicken coop. We've decided to start keeping chickens again, so we needed something to keep them in. And I didn't video the entire build process because it was a make it up as I go along kind of thing. So it's not a terribly beautiful chicken coop, I wouldn't say. I wasn't really looking for an aesthetics kind of thing. I was kind of just using up whatever materials I had on hand. So like these things here are when I mill lumber, when I'm taking off the slab wood, rather than taking off a big chunk, I take off nice thin pieces like this because they come in really handy. It's sort of like having 1/2 inch plywood, I guess, or a 1/2 inch siding. And I use it quite a bit for siding, so all of the siding and the roof is made from that stuff. This here, I just used an old seatbelt from a car that we got rid of. And like I said, I'm trying not to spend too much money on this. Use what I've got. Just a stick has the roost up there, door on either side, and that's the nesting box. That was the part that I really spent a lot of time on. Also, for ease of access for putting food and water, changing the food and water and stuff like that, I just put some hinges on this. That way there we can sneak in here, grab the water or the feeder, and that's the same on both sides. And this is fixed, doesn't open at all. And the part I'm most proud of, I guess I'd say, is chicken coops I always found are difficult for cleaning purposes. You know, to clean them out, clean out all of the shit. And so I wanted to have something that I could really clean this out easily, but also being small. We've only got 7 hens this time, and 1 rooster. So it's just for personal use, for 2 people basically. So I really wanted to have something that was utilitarian, I guess, rather than aesthetics. I was going for utilitarian. So what I came up with was this idea. So the entire nesting box pulls out, and then you have a nice flat surface that you can just sweep all the crap out, like all the straw and chicken poop. Yeah. And I wanted to have lots of ventilation, so that's the idea here. Is we've got this will be all open in the summer, spring, and fall. And in the wintertime, we'll just cover this over with plastic and the ends as well. And you can see this side here also opens. So we can put water on one side and food on the other, I suppose. And the general concept for this whole design is having a door on either side. This obviously for ease of cleaning. The door on either side is because then we can have 2 yards. We can have a yard on the left and the right side, and then we can let them graze on one side. And then when they've kind of grazed that all up, we can open up the other side and keep that door closed. It'll be up on, lifted a little higher than it's on this on the legs, so then underneath they'll be able to go underneath there for extra shade. And the idea is to put sand and wood ashes from the fireplace underneath there for their dust bath. That way there it'll stay dry, so they can dust bath under there all they want. And so there's not much to say about this other than it's kind of interesting things you can come up with when you look at something and figure out what all your needs are and all the things that you want from it, and then just take your time putting it together. Anyways, I guess just a little walk around tour. In case somebody might be interested. I had the camera. I had the chicken coop, so I figured might as well do it. Thanks for watching. Take care.